Do you want to create a table in Word but don't know how? Stay with us and learn how to do it very easily. Open a new Word document. To create tables, we use the Insert option in the menu bar. Choose the Table option. You can create a table in two ways. The first way is to manually select how many columns and rows you want by filling in the squares. By clicking on the selected fields, you will get a table. You can change the appearance of the table in the Design option. Click the down arrow to see different table designs. We will choose this one. Enter text into the table cells, and your table is ready. The second way is to choose Insert Table in the Table option and manually enter the number of columns and rows you want. After that, click OK. Your table is created. You can also customize this table as desired and choose from the offered designs. I will now insert some text into the table cells to see what they look like. New tutorials for detailed table editing are coming soon. We hope this video will be useful to you, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more helpful tips.